No, the other one.
Oh no, he's gonna wait until Christmas Eve to open it.
Huh?
We got them too.
I don't think you've ever had them.
I know.
Hi, Joe.
What's that? The peanut. Oh, the peanut. Oh, man, baby.
Oh, Joel. You'll never go back to Planters.
All right. Thank you.
They're ordered from Virginia. Oh, look, they have Christmas lights on them.
Yeah.
That's fun.
40 ounces of Virginia.
Extra large.
There's a can of them going to Nick and Jill. And we have one for Doug and Jeannie too.
Kelsey, come here for a second. Let me.
Hi, Papa.
I'm going to open my present from Ben.
Oh, okay, that'd be
Okay,
great.
good idea.
Thanks.
Great Christmas.
Do you want to help me? Okay.
You're getting presents already?
Look what it has.
There's ornaments on the other side. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Boring paper on the outside.
I like the boring paper. You know?
Boring paper on
You
the
like this
outside.
side better? Yeah. Okay.
It's the side.
Careful if it's too bad. She doesn't
You're quite the critic.
Love it. There's my Benny Boo.
Unless you change it on
Unless I feel like changing it up. And I've decided I want Matt and Kelly too.
That I got that from Bed Bath and Beyond. You can
It's
return
cute.
it if you want.
I like it. Thanks. Thanks, Ben.
When I was wrapping it, I kept showing him the pictures, and he was cracking up.
Ben was?
Whoa.
Because he has my worry.
Mommy,
What?
that's cute little penny.
It's cute little panties.
Oh yeah, they're very cute.
Let me see.
Wow, that's so you can play in it and you're okay.
It's cute in there, Kel.
Whoa.
Cute little panties.
Cute.
Yeah, I thought it was
We'll
cute.
open ours. We'll open ours from Matt and Kelly and Ben.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's a little bonus. Hi, Ben. Ben. Hello. Merry Christmas.
And a polka dot slip in it. That's cute. Little polka dots.
Look, it's in
Oh wow.
That's cute.
Cute.
Oh!
no,
You had two of them, right?
I don't know what you're talking about.
No.
You know what? This is in our garage still because I forgot we got it.
Oh, you better get it out.
I know.
What is that?
It's
The Three
for
Wise Men.
nativity scene
Oh,
that
okay.
Jane gave us for our wedding gift.